Welcome to the Kingdom of Numbers. This is a place where numbers come alive, where they dance and play, and where they hold the secrets to understanding the world around us. Imagine a kingdom where every building, every street, and every corner is infused with the magic of numbers. Here, numbers are not just symbols on a page. They are the very essence of life, guiding us in ways we often take for granted. Imagine a world without numbers, a place where time stands still because there are no clocks to tell us the hour. A place where distances are immeasurable because there are no rulers or measuring tapes. A place where the concept of quantity is foreign because there are no numbers to define it. Such a world would be chaotic and confusing, lacking the structure and order that numbers provide. How would we count the days, measure distances, or even buy groceries? Without numbers, we wouldn't know how many days are in a month, how far we need to travel, or how much food to buy. Numbers are essential for organizing our lives, for making plans, and for understanding the world around us. They help us keep track of time, manage our resources, and navigate our environment. Numbers are the fundamental building blocks of mathematics, and they play a crucial role in our daily lives. From the simplest tasks like telling time and counting money, to the most complex scientific theories and technological advancements, numbers are at the heart of it all. They help us make sense of the world, solve problems, and create new possibilities. Without numbers, our understanding of the universe would be incomplete. From the moment we learn to count our fingers as children to complex scientific calculations, numbers are our constant companions. They are with us every step of the way, helping us grow, learn, and achieve our goals. Whether we are adding up our allowances, calculating the distance to the moon, or decoding the mysteries of the human genome, numbers are there, guiding us and providing the tools we need to succeed. This essay takes you on an exciting journey through the fascinating world of number systems, starting with the basics of counting and progressing to more advanced concepts. We will explore the history of numbers from ancient civilizations to modern times and see how different cultures have contributed to the development of mathematical knowledge. We will also look at how numbers have evolved over time, from simple tally marks to complex algorithms, and how they continue to shape our world today. We will explore different types of numbers, their properties, and how they relate to each other. From whole numbers and fractions to decimals and irrational numbers, each type of number has its own unique characteristics and uses. We will see how they fit together in the grand scheme of mathematics, and how they help us solve problems and understand the world around us. We will also look at some of the more mysterious and intriguing aspects of numbers, such as prime numbers and the Fibonacci sequence, and see how they reveal the hidden patterns and structures of the universe. Get ready to unravel the mysteries of numbers and discover their hidden beauty. Numbers are not just tools for calculation, they are windows into the deeper truths of the universe. They reveal the harmony and order that underlie the chaos of the world, and they show us the connections between seemingly unrelated phenomena. By understanding numbers, we can unlock the secrets of nature, create new technologies, and expand the boundaries of human knowledge. So join us on this journey, and let's explore the magical kingdom of numbers together. Starting with the building blocks, natural numbers. These are the numbers that form the foundation of our entire numerical system. They are the first numbers we learn as children, and they are the numbers we use every day without even thinking about it. From the moment we start to count our fingers and toes to the time we calculate our expenses, natural numbers are always there, guiding us through the world of mathematics. Our numerical journey begins with the most basic type of numbers, natural numbers. These numbers are the stepping stones to more complex mathematical concepts. They are the numbers that we see and use in our daily lives, whether we are counting objects, measuring quantities, or simply keeping track of time. Natural numbers are the first step in understanding the vast and intricate world of mathematics. These are the numbers we use for counting objects or expressing quantities. When we count the number of toys in a box, the coins in our pocket, or the number of books on a shelf, we are using natural numbers. They help us make sense of the world around us by providing a way to quantify and compare different items. Without natural numbers, it would be impossible to perform even the simplest of tasks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on are all natural numbers. These numbers are the building blocks of our numerical system. They are the first numbers we learn as children, and they are the numbers we use every day without even thinking about it. From the moment we start to count our fingers and toes to the time we calculate our expenses, natural numbers are always there, guiding us through the world of mathematics. Natural numbers are like the building blocks of a magnificent castle. Just as a castle is built one brick at a time, our understanding of mathematics is built one number at a time. Each natural number adds a new layer to our knowledge, helping us to construct a solid foundation for more advanced mathematical concepts. Without these basic building blocks, the entire structure of mathematics would crumble. They are the simplest yet most essential elements in the vast kingdom of numbers. Natural numbers are the starting point for all other types of numbers, including whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, and real numbers. They are the foundation upon which all other mathematical concepts are built. Without natural numbers, we would not be able to understand or work with more complex numbers and mathematical operations. We use them to count the number of apples in a basket, the students in a classroom, or the stars in the night sky. Natural numbers are everywhere, and they help us make sense of the world around us. They provide a way to quantify and compare different items, making it easier for us to understand and interact with our environment. Whether we are counting the number of steps we take in a day, the number of pages in a book, or the number of stars in the sky, natural numbers are always there, helping us to navigate the world. Natural numbers are infinite, meaning they go on forever. There is no end to the sequence of natural numbers, and no matter how high we count, there will always be another number waiting to be discovered. This infinite nature of natural numbers is what makes them so fascinating and powerful. It means that there is always more to learn and explore, and that the world of mathematics is truly limitless. No matter how high you count, you can always add one and get a bigger natural number. This simple yet profound concept is the basis for many mathematical operations and theories. It means that there is always room for growth and expansion, and that the possibilities are endless. Whether we are adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing, natural numbers provide a solid foundation for all of our mathematical calculations. This infinite nature of natural numbers makes them both fascinating and powerful. They are the building blocks of our numerical system, the foundation of all mathematical concepts, and the key to understanding the world around us. Whether we are counting objects, measuring quantities, or exploring the vast universe of numbers, natural numbers are always there, guiding us on our journey through the world of mathematics. Adding zero and its significance: whole numbers. While natural numbers are great for counting, they lack one crucial element: the concept of nothing. That's where whole numbers come in. Whole numbers include all natural numbers and the number zero. The addition of zero might seem trivial, but it was a revolutionary concept in the history of mathematics. Zero allows us to represent the absence of quantity, like having no apples in a basket or no money in our pockets. With zero, we can now perform arithmetic operations like subtraction more comprehensively. For instance, 5 minus 5 equals 0, which wouldn't be possible without the concept of zero. The world of positive and negative integers. As we venture further into the world of numbers, we encounter the concept of negative numbers. These numbers are essential in mathematics and everyday life, providing a way to represent values that are less than zero. They are not just abstract concepts but have practical applications in various fields. Integers encompass all whole numbers and their negative counterparts. This means that every whole number, whether positive or negative, is an integer. The set of integers includes numbers like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Each of these numbers has a specific place on the number line. For example, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on are all integers. These numbers are used in various mathematical operations and are fundamental in understanding more complex mathematical concepts. Imagine a number line stretching infinitely in both directions. This line represents all possible integers, extending from negative infinity to positive infinity. Each point on this line corresponds to a unique integer, and there is no end to the numbers we can represent. Integers are like markers on this line, with 0 in the middle, positive numbers to the right, and negative numbers to the left. 0 acts as the central point, dividing the positive and negative numbers. This arrangement helps us understand the relative positions and values of different integers. Negative numbers are crucial for representing concepts like debts, temperatures below zero, or distances below sea level. For instance, if you owe someone money, that debt can be represented as a negative number. Similarly, temperatures below the freezing point of water are expressed as negative values. They allow us to express values less than zero, expanding our mathematical capabilities. Without negative numbers, it would be challenging to describe many real-world situations accurately. They provide a complete picture of the numerical world, enabling us to perform a wide range of calculations and solve various problems. Consider a thermometer, which shows temperatures both above and below zero. This is a practical example of how negative numbers are used in everyday life. Similarly, in finance, negative numbers are used to represent losses, while positive numbers indicate gains. In geography, sea levels below zero are represented as negative values, helping us understand the depth of various locations. Negative numbers also play a significant role in banking and finance. For example, if your bank account balance goes below zero, it indicates that you owe money to the bank. This negative balance is crucial for managing finances and understanding one's financial situation. In scientific research, negative numbers help in measuring and analyzing data, such as the depth of oceanic trenches or the altitude of locations below sea level. In mathematics, integers are used in various operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Understanding how to work with both positive and negative integers is essential for solving equations and performing calculations. These operations form the foundation for more advanced mathematical concepts and techniques. By mastering the use of integers, we can tackle more complex problems and explore deeper mathematical theories. Integers are not just numbers on a line. They are the building blocks of mathematics, helping us understand the world around us and solve real-life challenges.